Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Vivian and I blog over at the Paper Ladder Vlog, and today I'm here with a new snail mail video. In this video I'm talking a lot now, I know that, but I'm going to turn the camera down again so that you can just watch with me. I'll put on some music, it will hopefully be relaxing and fun to watch. Oh, my roses are dying. So I don't know if I'm going to use everything, but I'm just going to show you what I have. Might give you some more inspiration. First of all, I've got these cute little, I keep forgetting the word, I think they're called pegs. Very cute little pegs with a heart on them. And I ordered some, Valentine's Day die cuts. If I can, I will put all of the links from everything that I've used in the description down below. So if there's anything you want to get yourself, just check the description box. If I didn't put it in there, please ask me, because I might be able to tell you where I got it from. Also, a little bit more original, there's this Dutch Etsy shop called We Heart Confetti, and she has these really cute Valentine's Day die cuts as well. Then I have some more items. I have some wooden hearts, might be cute to use in some way. I got this little booklet from my mom, because I don't know if you've seen any of my videos before, but I really love these old, how do you call them? Old botanical books. Yeah, I love them. I love going through them, but, and this is a little bit bad, I also love cutting out the pictures. So, because this one is all about roses, and roses kind of important for Valentine's Day, I thought I might be able to do something with that. So my letter paper for today is just plain pink, because I didn't want to have to look for Valentine's Day paper, I'm sorry. But this one is from also another Dutch Etsy shop that's called Little Lefty Lou. I know she's currently on a break, but she has really cute stuff. This is going to be all about the die cuts, I think. Let me show you some. Yeah, this one says loved, I mean hearts, and I don't know what is this, but it's pink, and this one is my favorite, I think. Okay, so I wanted to start this video, I'm going to turn the camera down, and I want to start this video with showing you this package, because that's where I got some of my inspiration from. It's from my Penpal Hillary from Canada, and I'm also thinking of sending this package back to her. So, let's get started, shall we? So the first thing I'm going to do is just create the outline of the card. I already drew up some ideas, and we will see what we do with that.
This is you ending fire. We should all burn together. Watch the...
I'm going to stick this one here, so then it'll be like this. You open it like this, you fold this open, whoop, and then you find this. And what I'm going to make here, this is just my background, and then I'm going to use this paper to make a little pocket. A pocket like I showed you in the snail mail that I received.
We should all die together. Raise a glass of wine for the last time.
The next part will be this, like the flip, how do you call that? The up flipping part. Terribly sorry for my English. But on the up flipping part I want to have a little envelope for my letter. I think this is just a little stencil I created. Just go on Google, type in envelope stencil, and then you will find a lot of shapes like these. And I just want to make a little envelope. Let me show you. I think this would be the perfect size just to go here. And I have a little paper pad, and I think that there should be something matching. I want to start with decorating this side. Okay, so my battery died, so I had some time to think, but I also had to work on my evaluations for therapy, so I'm a little bit tired now. I'll just take you through what I did. I didn't glue anything on the paper yet, but we will do that together. Instantly looks cute and good if you layer stuff. So for example, I have this little circle with a heart, and then I would put this one on top, and then you immediately have something cute. Okay, so now I think I'm just gonna glue everything on here with these little, I still don't know what you call them. It's kind of like a pop-up something. Okay, you know what, I'm just gonna put them on here, and then I will show you what it looks like.
I see fire inside the mountain. I see fire burning the trees. I see fire glowing souls. I see fire blood in the breeze. And I hope that you remember me.
Okay, so first my battery died, and now my SD card was full. So I'll just show you what I did. A little bag of rose blossom tea, and I wrapped some washi tape around it. And then here we have, be very careful, we have these glitters. I will also close that up because it would be so me to knock that over, and then there's glitter everywhere. It's time for the decorating.
Inside the mountain, I see fire burning the trees. I see fire.
Okay, so I've decorated all the sides. These are stuck here, rose blossom tea, and underneath here we've got some cute die cuts. And now I just need to make, put these ribbons here so that they can hold the little envelope. So while these are drying, I'm just going to make this side of the flip up. So this is going to be attached there in some way. And now I just want to see, look, this envelope will be here. No, there I think. Because then it fits right above the little pocket, which I think is pretty smart. So I'm just going to attach this here, and then my letter can go in there. And I'll do some decorating again. Every time I make a video, I promise myself I'm not gonna make a mess, and look where I am now. These cute golden, no idea what you call them, I think they're called sugar drops. Just gonna use them to decorate a little bit more. Then I'm gonna fill this pocket, and I'm going to decorate the outside. Yes! Okay, so the video cut out again because I filled up another SD card. I'll just show you what I did. I added some of these like sugar drops, I think they're called, for a little bit more decoration. I decorated the outside, just a cute little lock and some more embellishments. And then now all I'm gonna do, all that is left before I can finally put this to rest, is just adding my goodies. Okay, this is not working. Every time I try to finish a video, the SD cards are full. So I'm just gonna wrap it up now. I will end up doing some things off camera, I think, but just to give you an idea, I will put some goodies in here. I already showed you some goodies, some post-its, some stickers, some die cuts. Might put in some more. I want to cut, maybe put some of these roses in there as well. I don't know yet. I just have to see if everything will still close when I do. But to finish this card, I'm obviously going to write a letter and put it in this cute little pocket here. I'm going to write my list of favorite lovely Netflix tips on here. Then I'm also going to decorate the envelope a little bit. I don't know how yet, and I don't have an envelope yet, so I cannot show you that. So to wrap this up, I will just show you what it looks like now that it's sort of done. Yeah, so you have this. Wait, I have to make it. Oh, I have so much cleaning to do now. Okay, so this is the outside. I'm going to wrap it with some of this twine, otherwise it won't stay shut. Okay, you take off the twine, you open it up, whoop, then you see this little Valentine's Day collage. Then you open it further, you have the letter inside, you have the Netflix tips, the goodies, some tea, and some confetti or sparkles, I don't know. As you can see, I really have to wrap it up because it's getting darker and that is not very good to my filming. But I hope I gave you some inspiration. Oh my gosh, I really have to stop. Anyway, that's all for now. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That really helps me to reach more people, which I really love. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on all other stuff. My brain is officially dead. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.